It's me, Austin the Magnificent. Tell me how. Tell me how to do time lapse if you're a YouTuber watching my video. I got a short antenna for this. This is my new remote. It's the newest upgrade I've ever had. My second upgrade, I believe. This is my first upgrade. I picked the big one because it's cool and you can put lights. Lights is definitely going to be my fifth upgrade because I'm going to get a bigger tire. That would be my third. And then my fourth is going to get a better motor. And then my fifth is going to be getting the lights in. And then my sixth upgrade. My sixth is my shock towers. Those need to be upgraded if I'm going to upgrade like almost half of my car. Almost like a quarter of it. And right here, where everything is held, I'm going to make that bigger into like a chassis. Tell me in the sections below what this is, if it's a waterproof box. I'm really wanting to know. And these, I want to make them bigger because I'm going to get bigger tires. I know slashes are like this, and they're fast. They say they're the fastest in radio control. But I think I can make mine faster than radio control itself. But I would have to spend a lot of money.
Your turn.
Yeah. So I'm gonna grab my body. Here's my body. Put it on. My body on. Oh yeah, this right here is blue. If you can't see, it kind of shows. It kind of looks black, but black is totally has different kind of wheels. Well, now it's time to check out my remote. I told you in the RC car that little antenna came from this remote. What made it possible?
Yeah.
Just moving my RC. And here's my remote. Sick. This is my remote.
You piece of crap!
If you can't see, right next to this, there's these two little there's turning things. Tell me in the sections below what this is. Steering right here. So go and back and backwards, obviously. My antenna for my other remote would go like yay high. So I decided to get a shorter one. And my other remote used to take 8 batteries. So we spent a lot of batteries. But instead, this one takes 4 batteries. Really save me money. Okay. I think I've covered everything, guys. So tell me in the comments what that is. This, please. And smash that like button. And I hope to see you next time on my new video of my new battery of my upgraded wheels. See ya, Austin the Magnificent out.